Family is a universal group. Family based on marriage.
I feel proud of India when something like this comes out. If you haven't explored the Kerala industry yet, you are missing some brilliant gems. Just finished watching The Great Indian Kitchen and it left me amazed. It just shook me from within and my illusion of being a feminist. When you are enjoying the privilege of living in a patriarchal society, your vision blurs and you either overlook or turn a blind eye on what is happening in your kitchen. The movie holds your hand for a while and takes you to the daily lives of a woman. Your idea of an insignificant work in the kitchen starts magnifying and has the power, maybe not to change you, but certainly it is going to freeze some of the frames in your mind which will stay there for some time. Don't worry, these images are not something new or haven't seen before. I told Na, it's just that you have either turned a blind eye or overlooked it. Director Joe Baby's The Great Indian Kitchen takes you in the life of newlywed wife played by Nimisha Sajahan, who has delivered an honest and breathtaking performance. You can feel her every expression. Her body language is enough to make you understand what she is going through. The movie hits you hard because of its subtlety. You are never told anything on the face, rather it's been just directly shown to you. It is like a mirror without any filter. The reality is just shown as it is. This is the brilliance of direction. The cinematography and screenplay builds a soul for the movie. The camera angles are beautifully capturing the delicious food and the pain with which a raging war starts brewing inside the woman, whose dreams and aspirations are poured mercilessly in the flames on which she is busy in making a delicious dish. While writing this piece, I got remembered that the character in the movie has no names. Intentionally, it has been kept so, because it isn't the story of that particular people. It has a universal appeal. Don't worry about the language, it has minimal dialogues and the scenes speak for themselves. See, the movie is in no way showing negativity or saying that everywhere it's like this. But sadly, most of the households are such. Just for 2 hours, we are shown our daily lives from a woman's point of view and it fills us with sheer shame and disgust. Background music is used minimally and the dance performance in the end touches us with some hope that someday there won't be the need of a camera which will take us to a woman's perspective and we are self-aware of our actions. I didn't want to sound preachy, but I know I did. Whatever be the case, I urge everyone, all the boys, all the men, fathers, grandfathers to watch this and share this with all. Don't restrict this to entertainment because it's more than that. I'm still in awe with this masterpiece. Share your thoughts if already watched. So that was a recommendation for this weekend. Subscribe to Filminama for further contents ahead.